let's do a quick perspective, how we can use this in an actual picture. So we've got another picture here. We're going to put this into the picture frame. So Control Command T. I'm going to hold Alt or Option on the Mac, and that will, when you move the any of the selections, it will move all of the selections at once. So if I just done there, I move up to the left, look, that way we'll move up to the right. But if I hold Alt, it goes to the center. Okay. Now I'll just put this bottom left corner into there. Then I'll hold Control, and that will change to perspective, and put each corner into its coinciding corner. At the moment it's not blending in that great, so what I'll do is go to Levels, clip it on to that picture. A little bit more washed out, which is what I'm looking for. Right, so what I want to do is have her leg look like it's coming out of the picture and onto the floor. So I'm going to have to make this picture bigger. Hold Alt, bigger until it looks like her foot will be touching the wooden floor out here. Tick that. Just hide her for a second. Get the polygon tool out again. Click on the ballerina again, and then click on the bottom right down here, click Add Layer Mask. And there you go, that's masked everything outside of that selection. So now what I'm going to do is paint white over the mask where I want her leg to be outside. What I'll do now is get the pen tool and just make a quick selection around her leg here. Once you've done that, go up to the top here, click Selection, and then that will select the area that you marked. Go up to Select Inverse, so that means everywhere we paint, we'll paint everywhere apart from inside this selection. So then we go back, paint black, and paint black around her foot here. Very good. Right, as we can see by the shadow here of the picture frame and in our original image, the light is coming from the right, so that means we need to put a shadow on the left hand side of her leg, making it look more realistic, because at the moment without shadows it doesn't look very good at all. We'll not make a selection here again. Of the pen tool. Click selection. So to do the shadows, we find a bit of a shadow on her leg, which is here. Hold Alt, left click to dab the colour. We put a mask on that layer. Black, turn the opacity down. Now we'll do it exposure layer. Turn the exposure up. Control Command I to invert it. Make sure you're on white, and then 100%. And paint where the light will be, and then obviously we'll work that back. You always want to paint more than you need. Oh, whoops, turn the opacity down or flow. You could either way, opacity or flow, to around 20%. Alright, now we'll do another new layer. Select the shadow underneath the picture frame. That's pitch black. We don't want pitch black. We want as dark as, there we go. So underneath the skirting board here, hold Alt, left click, and then we've got very dark red, but not black. We don't want black. We'll move this layer, hold left click, move it underneath the ballerina, but above your background. That means when we paint, turn the opacity back up to 100%. When we paint and click blending mode, multiply. Now we'll turn the opacity down, and just put the shadow where you think the shadow would be. Once again, don't worry if you do too much, because we're going to be deleting this away. Mask it, make sure you're on black, and then just paint away the bits you don't need. And I think that will just about do it. So we've gone through perspective, color change, and shading and lighting, all to make your pictures a little bit more believable. Take this away and enjoy. Please like and subscribe if you didn't like it. Thanks for coming along, and thanks for watching. For everyone else who did like it though, I'll see you in the next one.